Where did they get their supply?
They have suppliers.
They have suppliers?
They have suppliers and yeah.
Kasi yung baka next na tanong sa'yo is that you
Sino
are
supplier?
not, you are not,
Sino? Sige, sino yung supplier?
What's up mga kababayan? News that matters here. Dito sa video natin ngayon ay ating panonoorin o pakikinggan sina Dr. Badoy at Miss Cathy Binag mga kababayan. Grabe tong revelasyon ni Miss Cathy Binag mga kababayan na hindi si Bongbong Marcos ang nasusunod sa pagiging presidente kundi itong kanyang asawa di umano na si Liza Araneta Marcos. Dagdag pa rito na nakokontrol din itong si BBM ng mga elitista niyang kaibigan sa mga di magandang gawain sa loob ng gobyerno. Grabe naman yan. Kumbaga sa ibon mga kababayan, nasa hawla itong si BBM no ng mga sindikato na kinabibilangan ng kanyang asawa na si Liza Araneta Marcos di umano. Naku naman po. Dahil kung ating pakikinggan ngayon no, itong winika ni Miss Cathy Binag dito sa video, maririnig natin mula sa kanya na mabait kung sa mabait itong si BBM. Ngunit ang problema na iimpluwensyahan nga ito ng mga elitistang grupo na kinasasamputan ng kanyang asawa na si Liza Araneta Marcos di umano. Na may alas ba itong si Liza kung kaya't naging sunod-sunuran itong si Bongbong Marcos sa kanya na ganon katakot itong pamilyang Marcos na banggain itong si First Lady? Grabe naman yan. Kung kayang katanungan ng taong bayan, makakalaya ba si Bongbong Marcos sa hawla ng mga elitista? Pero bago ang lahat mga kababayan, huwag niyo po sana kalimutang mag-like at subscribe para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw. At yun na nga no mga kababayan, nakakalungkot isipin na napaanod itong si BBM sa mga ganitong grupo na nasa loob ng Malacanang. Na baka kailangan niya talaga ng tulong no sa taong bayan dahil malala ang mga sinasapit nito sa mga circle of friends ng First Lady di umano. Na pati itong si Senator Amy Marcos mga kababayan, walang magawa kahit na alam na pulboronic itong kanyang kapatid sa pagkatakusa di umano sa kanyang asawa. At isa pang issue dito mga kababayan, itong 90 billion pesos no na kinamkam mula sa PhilHealth at nilagay sa Bureau of Treasury. Inutusan di umano itong nagngangalang Mr. Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. ni FL Liza di umano na ibigay ang pera agad ng PhilHealth na kahit walang mandato sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Grabe talaga ang korupsyon at kabangagan sa administrasyong ito. Hay nako, dagdag pang nakakabahala rito mga kababayan na itong mga nasa Kongreso at Senado tila'y nagbubulag-bulagan sa katotohanan na bakit hindi hinihiring no itong sinakuting Liza lalo na pati sa Malacanang alam naman pala na sila mga user o addictus benedictus. Natotoo din ang winiwika ng taong bayan na ang presidente di umano ngayon si Liza Araneta Marcos at hindi si Bongbong Nakuting di umano. Kung kaya naman hindi ko na patatagalin pa, heto na ang buong video.
So my question to you, is there not anybody in this man's life who loves him enough to say, step down? Okay? Step down and get some help.
Alam niyo po, I think may magsasabi. Kaso lang mas, again, kapag napapaligiran ka ng, meron silang term yan cordon sanitaire.
Yes.
That's what they call. I always hear it from them. Even when I'm kabago-bago ko lang sa relasyon namin ni Tony Boy that time, I heard some of the guys will tell, huwag niyo kakausapin yan, walang kwenta yan. Ganun agad.
Elitista talaga.
Yeah, kasi
Yes,
alam niyo, kasi I don't do drugs. Hindi ako alcoholic po. So parang, they don't like that. Tapos di ako mag-gimmick, hindi ako mababar
Yeah,
It's not my thing. I'm a mom.
Yeah.
So parang paano ko gagawin yun? Di ba? Parang di normal naman for
So,
a mother.
Cathy, also pala, no, an attorney, no, mga kababayan, around the vast majority of cocaine addicts are also alcoholics.
Yes.
No? And the only difference about alcoholism is that it's legal. Di ba?
Yeah.
It's a legal drug. But it's very toxic.
Yeah.
Lalo na when you put those two together, it's a deadly mix. No? So, what we've been seeing, no, for instance, the first lady, no, tinutungga niya, halatang halata. No? So, I'm so sad for my country. I'm so sad for my country because ganito ba yon? Is this what we deserve? Diba? And we hear all sorts of things, no, na the first lady beats up the president in front of everybody, no? And she screams at him and I'm saying, but he's the president. I mean,
Yeah.
have some respect for that office kasi when we were there, ganun kami, no? Ganun talaga kami yung may respeto talaga for the office.
Yeah.
And also, of course, for the man. And nobody could ever lay a finger on the president.
That's true.
So this is parang they're besmirching all these institutions, no?
Well, apparently kasi 'di ba yung cocaine kasi 30 minutes lang daw yung effect niyan, 30 minutes eh.
And then load na naman.
And they're doing it kasi they love to drink a lot. Like literally a lot because they love to party hanggang umaga nga eh.
Really?
Yun to the point na yung parang when I was new, I was wondering how can they last this long? Parang ako lang yung natutulog na ako sa table, parang lahat sila gising, naiiyak ako sa pagod.
What
yung
do they
ganon.
do?
They're drinking.
Do they talk to each other?
Yeah, they do. Sobrang, alam mo yung super hype na parang buhay na buhay. Parang
Because cocaine is an upper.
yes,
It's a
so parang,
stimulant.
I don't
Yeah.
understand that before,
Yeah.
'di ba? Parang hindi ko nagigets. Alam ko yung kuya ko addict, pero alam ko na ganun. Pero hindi ko kasi syempre yung kuya ko nagdo-drugs, hindi ko naman nakikita na in front of me doing it eh. Ngayon lang eh, yung naging kami doon ko lang nakita eh. So,
Ano yung nakita mo?
yun nga that they're taking it, they're doing it. So,
The president. You saw the president do it.
to be honest, like I didn't see, but I saw them like grupo sila kasi
Yes.
whenever they're in one, like kasi private yan sila.
Yes.
They just invite like in their house.
Mhm.
Then doon nila gagawin yun.
So-
Tapos meron lang public na few people na kahit sa clubs, publicly ginagawa nila yun.
So even though you didn't see him, the people who were there did it.
Yeah.
I mean, there wasn't anybody there except you.
And I can see that they're doing it. It's just that, if you ask me na, harapan na kami ng presidente, hindi ko
Yeah.
nakita yun.
Yes,
But
yes.
I see them from afar. Yun,
Yes.
di po ba? Yun.
Oh.
So nakita mo din.
Nakita mo
din.
pero from
Nakita
afar.
mo din.
Pero
hindi
Hindi,
harapan
offended naman ako eh. Kasi I just want to be very specific. You know naman, I know how they work.
Yes.
You know, they can put words into your mouth. They can play everything. I've been with them for 10 years. Like, when I was seeing the Davao, like all this SWAT team and all the people without the template and ano
Yeah,
yun, yung
yeah.
walang plaka. That's
Yeah.
how they work. Guys,
That's
I'm
their-
telling you,
that's
that's their
their,
style.
Yeah.
So I know it for a fact. That's why
So pinagpauna na ni Miss Cathy talaga na madumi maglaro itong administrasyon ngayon. Nakita naman natin yun mga kababayan. Dito pa lang sa pinanggagawa nila kay Pastor Kibuloy sobra na. Kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa panggigipit kay Harry Roque na hindi naman abogado talaga ng Pogo ngunit pinasulat ang pangalan di umano ni Liza Araneta upang siya ang tugisin sa Senado. Kumbaga may nangyayaring martial law na hindi masyado pansin ng taong bayan. Na hahayaan ba nating lumaki ito at sa huli tayo magsisisi? Grabe naman.
di ba, what's that? What's the kulungan in their, in the Florendos, sila Tony Boy. Di ba, may
Sabi.
kulungan, may kulungan doon na,
Oo.
yung parang, di ba, mali mo, di ba, sinabi nga nila, di ba, sabi na, mali mo, gumagamit sila ng mga preso to do it,
Yeah,
ginagamit
yeah.
lang yung, ang tawag
Yes.
dito, yung gear ng
Yeah.
SWAT. You know,
Yeah.
guys, sa
Oh.
mahal nating police at saka kapulisan, saka Armed Forces of the Philippines,
Wow.
please do not allow them to do that without a name, without a template, without any walang car plate.
Yeah.
Kasi po, yung pangalan po ng kapulisan at Armed Forces of the Philippines ang nakasalalay dito. Hindi nyo po alam, malay nyo po, nahaluan na ng iba. Maawa po kayo dun sa mga kasamahan ninyo na nagtapos, nagpagod para makapagtapos dito, para makapagsilbi sa bayan ng tama. Huwag nyo pong hayaang mababo yan. Kasi ako marami akong kaibigan sa inyo ay naniniwala po ako sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Nakatrabaho ko po kayo nung pandemic.
Yes.
I've seen how hard you work
Yes.
for our country. Huwag nyo pong pabayaan na magamit kayo. Please do that for the people.
Cathy, there's a Senate hearing now about yung brutal na raid, no? Na illegal raid ng police by the KOJC. And we heard si General Marbil, who's the chief of the PNP, that none of what's happening there is politically motivated, which to me is galling. What do you think about that? What do you say about that?
First and foremost, like, I don't know personally, Pastor Kibuloy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, yun na nga yung advantage ko.
Yeah.
I'm not close to anybody,
yeah.
no? So, I don't have any motive. I'm not a politician. I'm not a vlogger. I'm not a fame whore. Kasi kung fame whore ho ako, nung
Yeah.
nasa posisyon, yan dyan si Tony Boy, sikat siya, may pera siya. I have all the ways to be famous. I never did that. Diba? So, I'm doing this again for my kids, for my future apos, for my country, for my friends. For me hindi ako naniniwala it's not politically motivated.
Yeah.
Kasi bakit sa isang lugar nyo lang ginagawa? Bakit sa dinami-dami may Cebu, may Palawan, bakit Davao? Bakit Mindanao? What are you trying to prove? 'Di ba? Parang is it your way. For me, kasi alam ko nga the way they move, di ba? Way nyo yan na parang your way to takutin yung mga tao.
Intimidate. Yeah.
Intimidate nyo. Nagawa nyo sa akin yun di ba? Intimidate nila na, okay, we can do this to this area. Hindi kami takot sa Duterte or whatever. Kahit pa pastor, wala kaming pakialam. Which is sad.
Yeah.
Which is so sad. Just imagine, okay, alam mo nyo po, kahit na sino na, kung nagagawa nila kay Pastor Kibuloy, yung ginagawa nila now, whoever na pastor dyan, or like, not political leader what do you call this? Religious leader
Yes.
na will go against them, they can do that to you. Like, ngayon, Davao lang to. Susunod, baka Cebu na. Susunod, baka Palawan na. You know,
They did it to you.
They did it to
A
me.
single mom.
Yes, just imagine, I'm a single entity, simpleng babae. Babae po ako, may 5 po akong anak. One time, I even begged, sabi ko, wag mo na lang isipin ako. Okay na, babuyin mo ako, pero maawa ka lang sa anak ko. I was so fearful before. I'm so, takot na takot ako dati. Now, I don't have any fear.
Yeah.
I remember yung interview mo kay Maharlika, and that you stated na there are at least 5 times that you saw the president at this high, at nakasama mo siya. When was the last time?
Oh, wow, matagal na few years back. Hindi ko ma-remember. And meron nga rin nagke-question sa akin na, anong ebidensya mo? Parang, paano mo papatunayan nakita mo? Sabi ko, may eyes. Sabi ko, may eyes. Di ba? Parang, kaya nga witness ka because you saw it. Second to that, parang, if you're on that, again and again, if you're on that group, are you stupid enough to like video them and like, what? Di ba? Will you video them? Will you record them? Because you're part of that group that time. So you think everything is normal, everyone is happy. Parang ako dati, sabi ko, matanda na sila, alam nila ginagawa na nila. Which is so sad. Kasi parang, I wish the time, which ako naman, nagawa ko naman kay Tony Boy. Sabi ko, ayoko niyan. Kasi hindi talaga. Tsaka matanda ka na. Gusto ko yung mga huling buhay mo. You know, maayos yung buhay mo. Yung parang mag-iwan ka, mag-enjoy ka, healthy ka. Kasi hindi naman maglalas You wouldn't know what will happen, di ba?
Sa ano naman, in law, personal testimony actually is regarded highest in court kasi nakita mo, that's your personal perception and that's your personal experience. So no matter na wala kang nakuha ang video, kung nakita mo talaga, that's sufficient to stand in court. So I don't think that that's something that's questionable. So siguro yung mga next na tanong lang is halimbawa nung in-offer ka ni First Lady, how would you know that that is cocaine?
Pinakita niya sa akin
So,
and I've seen it. Kasi nung bago kami ni Tony Boy that time, 3 months kami, I remember. Nagtataka ako, nagsisi-CR, nasa bahay niya, sa Davao, nagsisi-CR sila. Tapos may kasabay siya palagi. Hindi ko na i-mention, mabait naman sa akin yung guy niya. But, hi. So, and I'm friends with him.
Baka hindi makatulog.
Baka hindi makatulog. And he's a good guy.
Is he in government?
No, he's not.
Okay.
You know, then, I was, parang sabi ko, ang weird. Bakit nag-CR? And it's funny kasi I thought, sandali, parang bakla ba siya?
In the house of someone? In the private?
No, in the house of Tony Boy in Davao.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so, nainis ako. So, I knock. Parang sabi ko, hey, anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Labas ka na kayo, ba't kayo nandyan? Ganyan ako, diba? Parang weird for me diba? So, parang narinig ko, natataranta sila sa loob. Then they open the door. Ganun ako. Tapos in-open nila yung door. Pag-open, you know, sobrang sigurong tataranta and we're new, diba? He's still trying to pa-impress siya, diba? Nakita ko talaga may mga tawas ba yun? Parang ganun pa nga yung tingin ko that time. Tapos di pa kasi ako nakakita talaga nung nung full na ganun before. Then, nakita ko yun. Sabi ko, ano yan? Tapos syempre yung guy, parang, I'm sorry. Parang guilty. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano ginawa niyo? Sabi niya, sorry. And you know, ayun na, talagang nakita ko doon na talagang they're doing it. Tapos galit hiwalayan ko nga siya niyan I remember Kasi sabi ko, I don't like that.
Kasi but
Ang tapang din itong si Miss Cathy, no, mga kababayan, na nasikmuraan niya itong mga ginagawa ng mga elitista na pagpupulburon.
where did they get their supply?
They have suppliers.
They have suppliers?
They have suppliers and yeah.
kasi yung baka next na tanong sa'yo is that you
Sino
are not,
supplier?
you are not,
Sino? Sige, sino yung supplier?
Hindi. Ano natin yan?
baka next na tanong is you might not have the sufficient knowledge na yung first sa'yo is hindi mo naman alam na gano'n yun. So we just have to clarify that you have a previous experience
Yes.
na alam mo kung ano yun kasi nakita mo
Ilang beses, oo.
At least ilang beses mo siyang nakita. And there's no doubt in your mind. And you have seen the effect while they're doing it.
And I'm surrounded with them.
Oh yes.
So,
Everybody's doing it.
Yeah.